Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the shelf hinge on the Samsung refrigerator. Need a few different tools for the job. Leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. To remove the shelf, you'll first need to unlink them by pushing up on one of the two shelves. Next, support the bottom of the shelf and remove the two Phillips screws. Now, fold the shelf up. Next, grab the shelf near the hinges, pivot the top down, and lift out to remove. With the shelf removed, locate the end of the pin with the splines. The pin is hammered out in this direction. Using a hammer and punch, hammer the pin out. Now remove the pin and leave the punch in place. Now carefully remove the punch and hinge, making sure not to lose the roller and spring. If you have a bad shelf hinge and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. On some model refrigerators, the shelf hinge is not sold separately. It's only sold as part of the shelf assembly. To install the shelf hinge, first install the spring, followed by the roller. Next, install the hinge and insert the punch to hold it in place. Now, insert the pin, making sure the smooth end goes in first. Then remove the punch. Apply pressure to the hinge to line the hole, then hammer the pin back in place. This step may require an extra set of hands. To install the shelf, first align the bottom tabs, then push the hinges to lock in the top tabs. Now carefully fold the shelf down while applying pressure to keep the hinges in place. Now reinstall the two Phillips screws. Finally, relink the shelves by aligning the tabs and snapping back together. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.